I have a Bernzomatic torch tip TS 8000, and it quit working. It wouldn't ignite. So for a while, what I was doing was holding this down and then lighting it with a lighter, because I just use this to light my forge, and it keeps your hands away from the forge because it's a big woof, you know, by the time you get your torch up there. And I wish I hadn't, because now that I bought another one, and they're very expensive. They're about 80 bucks now. I bought this for 65. I have another one that my wife uses for lighting fires, and out there's the fire out there. And I wish I hadn't, because let me turn this light on. I'll show you what happened. Mud dauber. A mud dauber got in there and plugged my torch up, and instead of taking this off and looking at it, I went ahead and bought another one. So now I have three. I'm going to take this right here and clean that out, and maybe I'll take the other one off, put it in the box, and just hang on to it for when this actually does quit working. So let me clean this out and I'll show you. All right, I got that cleaned out. Why won't you? All right, you're doing it. All right, put that tip back on. I got a bottle of propane right here. I'm going to try it. All right. All right, I'm glad I looked, because I sure hate wasting, especially expensive stuff like that. Now that I'm retired, money is a lot harder to come by. Oh, and this is the handle on that knife I made, G. Carta. His name is George Hansen, I believe. Okay, Bernzomatic TS 8000, and they're probably all the same. So if you have one that won't light, take it apart. You got nothing to lose. It ain't working anyway. You can't break it anymore. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to figure out. All right, see ya.